Summer is heating up, and we're taking the craft of quilting to a whole new level. Dust off that rotary cutter and oil up your sewing machine. It's time for the Guys Craft to kick off to Summer Quilters Retreat. We're taking over Glendale, Arizona for the ultimate maker's getaway. Think you've seen it all? Think again. We've got Ray Steves from 3 Dudes Quilting leading the charge with 2 fun and exciting quilting projects that will blow your mind. This isn't just a workshop, it's an all-out quilting marathon with 24-hour access to the sewing room. When you're not stitching, cool off at our legendary pool party or fuel up at the backyard barbecue. We've got you covered with on-site lodging and delicious breakfasts and dinners provided every single day. You'll head home recharged, inspired, and loaded down with a brand new pattern and an epic gift bag you won't believe. Don't let the summer pass you by. Grab your spot for the event of the year, open to all level of quilters. Head to guyscraft2.com right now and register today. Let's make something awesome.